The only thing green in here are the pickles and the tomatoes.
That's it.
What if I'm a vegan and I want to come to Sammy's Roumanian? What do I do?
We duct tape you to a chair and shove a steak down your throat.
Oh my God! You're in the hospitality business.
Yeah, entertainment business.
How did you get into the restaurant business?
The restaurant's been here for 87 years.
This restaurant has been here that long?
Mm-hmm. My father won the restaurant in a poker game in 1975 against Sammy Friedman.
What's your father's name?
Stan.
So it should be Stammy's.
Almost, I know, right?
Your dad was at the poker game with Sammy at the table, and then he said, give me the restaurant?
That's it.
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's a dramatic story. This is in your blood?
Yes, I have schmaltz in my blood. Where should we start? Should we start with the chopped liver?
Let's start on your terms.
Okay.
I have a funny feeling that's where we should begin.
Chicken livers. We're gonna put it in a bowl. Radish.
That's the good stuff.
Okay. Fried onions, fried chicken skins, schmaltz. This is when you're supposed to get scared.
Oh my God, do you do this tableside? Is there tableside schmaltzing?
Yep. A little salt, a little pepper.
Wow, I see. I like it.
Jewish benihana. Mix in the chopped liver and the radish. Now, we're gonna take a piece of rye bread. We're gonna smear it. Dig in.
You really taste the meat. This is not a vegan dish.
Definitely not.
Welcome to Sammy's, the House of Cholesterol, everybody.
And then there's live music and entertainment. And then we get everybody up and dancing and doing the horror around the room.
Well, isn't everybody sitting at a table eating?
Right, but then you tell them, hey, everybody, get up. Let's do the horror. What at the restaurant are you holding your other tables next to? You're holding their hands. Nowhere else.
And that's that intimacy that you want, that moment where everybody is the same.
It's like going to Bubby's house.
This is not anyone's Bubby's house.
Well, okay, with the basement.
Do people leave gifts?
Pictures, business cards, ties.
What do? You just
cut them off, put it on the wall. My family photo album is on the wall. Wife and kids, customers, they make up the wall. They're the history of the place.
So is this your favorite dish?
Yeah, the breaded veal cutlet is the best, the Jewish veal.
The Jewish veal.
Jewish veal, made with love.
All right, so you make veal cutlets from a chop?
We take a veal chop and we pound it. Big chop, and we just start pounding.
I'm literally gonna get.
You need more anger, more.
Oh no, I'm good. My mother makes veal cutlets from the top round. I've literally never seen anybody take a veal chop on the bone and pound it to smithereens to make a cutlet. So this is a cutlet here?
That's a cutlet.
How could anybody have seen this as once a veal chop? It's like Lady Gaga's meat dress now. What do you think the most important thing is about this place for everybody? That feeling of holding hands and dancing?
As soon as you come down the stairs and look and feel and hear the music, just have that, okay, I get the place a little. Because over the phone, you don't quite get it. And to explain it to somebody, it's impossible. But when you come here and you see it, then you're like, okay, I get it.